Jay, how are you today?
I am fine, sir.
Today I am going to show you how to set the side station properly.
What is the side station?
A side station is your best friend. If you keep it well organized and maintained, you will be able to handle your shift well.
Okay then, I am ready to learn about my friend.
But before I start, if you are new here, we teach topics about the hotel industry. If you work in a hotel or are interested in working for one, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. We post regular training videos that you can come back to anytime and keep learning. So, this is a side station. We store crockery, cutlery, menu and items like ketchup here. Your side station must be kept clean at all times. You must also leave the side station clean for the next shift during your handover. In the top drawer, you must have cutlery, like spoon and knife. Remember to separate all variety into different racks, so that you do not have to search through it during service. Keep the service gear in a different section so that they do not mix.
How much of cutlery must I keep?
That is a good question. Different hotels and restaurants have different standards. However, to handle your section effectively, make sure you have at least 2 times the covers in your restaurant. For example, if you are handling 20 covers, you must have 40 spoons, 40 forks and 40 knives. You can have a lesser quantity of teaspoons, as that is not frequently used. In case you have any prior reservation in your section, you must be prepared for it.
Okay. What else should I organize?
Arrange the menu cards, KOT pads and comment cards neatly so that they are accessible. Do not clutter the place with many of these. Keep your cupboards dust-free, and wipe the area after every shift. If you keep it well organized, your shift will go smoothly.
Thank you for teaching me this. What about you? Did you like this video? Do give it a thumbs up, and if you think any of your friends may be interested in the video, do share the link to them, using the share buttons below.
This video is made by clarifiedbetter.com, and on our website we have many such training videos and articles. The link to the website is given in the description box below.
Also, to keep learning, do check out the other videos in the playlist. That is it for today. See you in the next video.